Doors, essential in our daily lives. Nitto Kohki's door closers automatically close doors quietly without using electricity. Its beautiful appearance, reliability, and safety design have been adopted in doors all over the world. The movement is controlled by the spring and hydraulic pressure inside the hinge. This simple design without arms fits various door types. This type makes any door look neat as it is concealed inside the door, suitable for heavy doors. This hinge has been adopted for many fire doors where reliability counts. The closer for sliding doors that opens with light force, then closes quietly at desired speed. Suitable for facilities for children and people with special needs. Our door closers are used for various doors that require aesthetic appeal, reliability, and safety. Nitto Kohki dedicates to bettering your life with energy and labor-saving technologies.